Hi everyone, this is the first video of your booklets. The other video I saw some things the first part is cutting, so this is the first part before you create your booklet. So you go to publisher and then you double click on more pages. On more pages you are going to have more folders, so you are going to select the one that's according to your activity. In this instance you are going to select booklets because you are doing booklets. So double click since it is a folder. Then it's going to give you the different folders the different booklets that you are going to create, but for now we stick on the booklets A4. When you double click on it, it's going to come with the instruction. So all you need to do is just say yes. When you say yes, then it's going to be in a number of 4 pages. Let's check your exercise. This is your first let me just minimize it a bit here. So this is your booklet exercise 1.5. They say you need to create this booklet and then you fold it afterwards. So it's going to come in 4 pages. Then when you are done, you fold it according to its pages. So it's going to come like this when you print. So now you have this. This is the first one. This is the front page. This is page 1. This is page 4. And then you have page 2 and page 3. So you put everything in its page. So now when you go back to your book, to your publisher, now you have all the pages. So this is page 1, this is page 4, then page 2 and 3. Then you insert your header and footer. Always you do that. So you have your header and footer, and you go to footer. Your footer is always a group. Put up 2 times. Then I will just say booklets. Then you close. In an instance where they say you need to show the page number, you just go to insert and then go to page numbers, bottom right, then insert the page numbers. But now check, even here on page 1 that's numbers, but again when you check here, page 2, 3 they appear, page 4 appear, but now page 1 does not appear. So you need to deactivate numbers on page 1. How do you do that? You go back again on page number, the down arrow, and then there's this tick. You make sure it stays show page number on the first page. You just left click on it to deactivate it. So all the pages will have their numbers except for the page 1. And again with regards to the header and footer, again you activate the header and footer where you are required to do that. So following the next video is the explanation on how do you do all these pages in Microsoft Publisher. So thank you.